Hi, I'm Sarah Lorenzen, and I have helped MRHC transition to our new patient portal. To provide convenient access to healthcare, we have launched a new patient portal called Meditech Myechart and encourage all of our patients to get signed up. There are so many benefits and conveniences of the portal, and today I'll share the process to make it a little easier for you to navigate. Feel free to press pause at any time. To enroll in the portal, you will need to schedule an appointment with any department at MRHC. When you arrive for your appointment, be ready to provide your driver's license, health insurance card, and email address. Our admissions staff will get you registered and provide a pamphlet to follow along to get registered for the portal once you return home. You will receive an email that allows you to click a link and complete the registration form. Enter your name, date of birth, medical record number, or last 4 digits of your Social Security number and email address. You will then create a login ID and password and complete 2 security questions to finalize the setup for your account. Click Continue, and you will then be asked to read and accept the agreement. You should then be automatically logged into your account. In the future, you can log in by visiting www.mrhcia.com. Click on Patient Portal and enter your login information. If you prefer to use your phone, you can also use the mobile app. First, go to your Apple or Google Play Store and search for the Meditech app. Download it, and once it has finished, click on the app. If you have not yet created your account, you will need to enter all information requested. You will then be able to access all functionalities of the app just like you are able to on a computer. Once you have logged into the patient portal, you will notice announcements on the front page. These are general announcements for all users and MRHC patients. For more specific messages from a medical staff member or admissions, click on the blue message button. If you notice a red dot on any of these sections, that means you have new information. Once you click on a message, you can read it and send a message back to a provider. At any point, you can send a message to a provider to update them on how you are feeling following an appointment, ask a question about your health, or even share a health concern. You can typically expect a response back within 24 to 48 hours during the week. Anything sent after 3 p.m. on Friday may not be addressed until the following Monday. You can also update your profile information through the portal. Prior to an upcoming appointment, you can ensure your personal information is up to date to help streamline and speed up your hospital or clinic visit. You can also make sure your name, address, phone numbers, primary care provider, and emergency contact information are correct. The ability to share access with another user is also available through the portal. This is important for parents, those with caretakers, or anyone who wants a close family member, relative, or guardian to have access to their health information. You will need to have the person's name and email address and can then choose what information they can access, such as billing details, medical record, profile, clinical data, or family history. Verify that all information is correct and submit the request. You can always look to see who you are providing shared access to and change it at any time. Another feature of the portal is your patient health record. This first page provides a snapshot of your allergies, medications, current conditions, and immunizations. Click on Health Summary to see and download your health record. You can also select the Provider Practice Summary, which provides information beyond your appointment. This information can be read online or printed for reference. You can also see your visit history for all appointments at MRHC. The Results tab will provide the results of all tests that were performed or sent out from MRHC, including lab results, radiology, and more. If you need to print any of these results, a print button is always at the right to provide easy access to printing your results. The Medications tab provides information about all medications that have been prescribed to you, as well as the dosage and form of medicine, as well as a link to more information about this medication. This information can also be printed for your reference or for sharing with other providers outside of MRHC. Allergies and current conditions and their onset dates can be found here. Reports from a provider can be found in this section. You can click on the report to find further information such as recommendations, prevention, or dealing with particular diagnosis. Parents, I think you're going to love this next feature. Have you ever needed to access your child's health information or needed their last tetanus shot? Click on the Health Maintenance and Immunizations tab and access all the immunization records and their certificates. Heading off to college or the military, starting a new job, or even adding and switching a provider, many of these situations require providing your health immunization records and are now easy to access. Another feature that will develop over time as you use the portal is the medical history section. This information will track your medical and surgical history and even your family medical history. Patients are also able to request and download their medical records from the portal. Click on the Request tab to submit the request, and when the file is ready, you will be notified in the messages. You can also see who has requested access to your medical records by selecting the medical record activity. Now this is the feature everyone is going to love. You can now see and schedule your appointments from your phone or computer. The Appointments tab will allow you to see all of your upcoming appointments. To schedule an appointment, simply select the type of appointment you wish to have, the location where you wish to be seen, and the provider you'd like to see. Share the reason for your appointment, add a phone number, and any comments you would like to share with the provider about your health status. Then click Submit and your appointment will be scheduled. In the billing section, you will be able to see any outstanding invoices as well as previously paid bills. If you have access to other patient accounts, you will be able to see the balances for all accounts that are shared with you and pay those bills directly online. If you don't have an amount due, you will not see a payment link. Another feature on the homepage, listed under the Log Off button, is the ability to switch users. If you have access to multiple patient accounts, you can easily navigate between each patient's portal by clicking Change Person. At the end of every session, don't forget to log off and close out of the browser or the app so your information remains protected. Remember to always use caution when accessing your patient health data. Utilizing a public Wi-Fi that is not password protected can open you up to risks of sharing your personal information with unintended people. We encourage you to only access your patient portal when you are connected to a secure, password-protected, trusted internet connection. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our new Meditech patient portal. We hope you are excited to begin using this tool to make your healthcare experience more personable and accessible. At Manning Regional Healthcare Center, we are proud to continue providing quality and convenient healthcare close to home.
Manning Regional Healthcare Center, your trusted experts close to home.